Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Hi. Okay, in all seriousness, I'm going to show you a really neat trick. I'm going to be showing you how to make your Nord Stage 3 sound like those modular synthesizers. Because you might be thinking, like, I can't get mine to sound like those cool little modular synthesizer things where it just like has ping pong sounds. Here's how I found a cool way to make it sound like those. I have a regular sound here. You might want to come around this side. Film my fingers, please. Okay, so I have a regular sound here, just a triangle with an FM sound. It can be any sound though. And what you're going to want to do is turn on the Arpeggiator. So now it has like that. And you can adjust the speed. Let's do a slow speed. Okay. And then we're going to add KB hold. So it's going to, I don't have to have my finger on it. When I have that on, I don't have to have my finger on it. So I can just have it like that. Next part, hold down the sustain pedal. That way you can have KB hold on with the sustain pedal on. And you're going to play multiple notes. Okay, so you're going to do that, but in order to get even more of a modular synthesizer sound, turn on velocity and put it on the highest setting. So on the stage 3, you're going to want to hit it 3 times so that it's on the 3rd setting. So the velocity is at its highest. With the velocity on the highest setting, hit certain notes hard and hit certain notes soft. So it'll be like this. Soft, hard, see? And now add some octaves. And then add random. This is the best part. Here you go. Sounds like a modular synthesizer now. So that's the best way I can find to do that on here. And you can do it with any sound. You can make any sound sound like that as long as you turn the arpeggiator on with the KB hold and velocity and the octaves and the sustain pedal and randomize it and all the other things that I showed you. So I hope you found this... I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that Drew gets off of his ass and participates more in these videos. I've been begging him to participate more in these videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.